Welcome to my blog. So today we'll be reviewing this battery charger for our car. So I bought this from Lazada. The very reason that I bought this charger for the battery in the car is because the one time I got stranded because the car did not start, and the very reason that the car didn't start is because the battery got low bat. I have to go to a battery shop to charge the battery, and every charge is worth 80 peso. So I bought this charger instead from Lazada in order for me to save money, and it just worth 300 peso less. So I returned to the shop every time my battery got low, and I just spent money for nothing and just throw away money, and it was 3 times that I charged the battery in the shop. And every time that I charge a battery, it's worth 80. So if you go back to the shop 3 times, it's worth 80 times 3. So how much is that? So that's 140. It's just worth the price of buying the battery charger worth 300 peso from Lazada, including the shipping fee. So I bought this car battery charger instead from Lazada, and we will review this car battery charger. So there are 2 wires. The one on the left is where I plug to the outlet, and the one on the right, this one that I'm holding right now, we'll plug it on the positive and the negative terminal of the car battery. Okay, so just remove the protective cap from this positive negative terminal, and we will put this 2 clamps all together on the positive and the negative terminal of this battery. Okay, as you can see, I fold the 2 clamps together, and we will clamp them all together as well. Okay, so we will leave it until it becomes fully charged. So in this car battery charger, it says what ampere information such as temperature of this battery. Okay, as you can see, there's 290. It's 14.5. That means to say 14.5 volts. But that's not usually what it meant, even though that's 14.5 volts. And as you can see, there is a 1 bar of this battery which is unfilled, means to say that it's insufficient for the car battery to start a car if it lacks power. So that's why we have to charge, and it will. Okay, so it continues to charge, and we will leave this charging for a while. So today it's 4 p.m., 4:32 p.m., and we will just return. Okay, so I returned the battery, and it's already 6:14 p.m., so it's almost 2 hours. It took almost 2 hours to full charge the battery. As you can see, it will indicate full on the screen of this battery charger. So in this way, we will remove the 2 clamps. Okay, so slowly we will remove it. By the way, there are four lights on this. One of this is restore mode, and the other one is battery charging. Whatever that is, I just connect it with whatever way it can be. Okay, so if you have any questions, just drop down comments down below, and if you have any suggestions, leave also suggestions in our com section. This car battery charger is made in China, and I hope it will last longer. I've only used this charger 2 times now. So we need this type of charger for emergencies, like if our car doesn't restart. So we just need this bar charger. If our car was standby for about 4 days and above, so the battery in our car got drained. And whenever we want to start the car, we'll be surprised why the car didn't restart. It's because the battery got drained. There is some type of parasitic drain parasitic consumption in the electrical components of our car, so that is why our battery got drained. If we will not idle it, we will not use it for a while, so the battery got drained. It's okay, there's nothing wrong with our car got drained. You just need to repair the battery. And if you do it, no need to replace the battery, you just bought the battery, So if you newly bought the battery, so no need to replace the battery, just charge it. Some of our car owners replace the battery, but no, there's nothing wrong with the battery. You just need to recharge, and that is why we need the carbatterycharger. So if you like this video, please click the like button if you want to get notified. Notified weird videos related with this one. Please click also the notification bell icon. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Goodbye.